Toastmaster DTM Balan Vijayakumar is a very passionate and dedicated Toastmaster. The fact that he is a member of 3 clubs in Dubai and Sharjah bears testimony to this. He deserves this more than anything else because he has been a Toastmaster for the past, I think, 15 years or more. And I wish him every success for his future endeavor as well. And I request him to continue this journey forever. Over to you.
Congratulations, DTM Dr. Vijay Kumar Balan. Your titles are getting longer. It's a long awaited one and well deserved title. And believe me, you are truly a distinguished Toastmaster of our Lagoon Club. All the best to you. Congratulations.
Dr. Balan is among those Toastmasters who have taken Toastmastering very seriously and have used it very effectively for their personal growth. Dr. Balan is one of the most sincere Toastmasters I have come across. I have always respected him as a Toastmaster, as an individual, and as a professional. Great human being. And it gives me great pleasure to know that Dr. Balan has achieved the coveted distinguished Toastmaster status. I wish him all the very best. Dr. Balan, please continue your journey forward. Conquer greater heights. All the very best.
Congratulations, Dr. Balan, on this very well-deserved and long overdue award. It's been a pleasure to be associated with you for such a long time in the club. Toastmasters is all about learning how to speak and leadership skills, and you have been a role model for all of us. Thank you and congratulations once again.
DTM Balan Vijay Kumar. Sir, please accept my appreciation for your support and mentorship in our lives. I mean, my and Rafi's life. You are the one who has ignited the spark to find out a humorous world on the other side of my life. Still, I remember many times you personally came to my home to check whether my humorous speeches are ready, spending your precious time. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. On this occasion, I sincerely expressing my gratitude for your support, encouragement, and guidance throughout my Toastmasters journey. Congratulations on this great achievement. Wishing you all the success and many more in your life. May the Almighty bless you and your family always. Thank you so much.
Thank you for being a wonderful mentor, a true friend, a true master, besides being a great Toastmaster. Thank you for always listening to my troubles and being there for me during my most difficult and crucial times. Thank you for your mentorship, guidance, support, advice, love, and prayers. You have been a great blessing, not only in my life, but in my entire family's. Many congratulations for you, Dr. Saab, on becoming a DTM. Honestly, for me, you are more than this. You are a true, distinguished human being the moment you came into this world. Thank you for everything, Dr. Saab. God bless you. Long live. Thank you.
Congratulations to DTM Dr. Balan for reaching the pinnacle of Toastmasters' educational journey. DTM Dr. Balan has always been an inspiration. Despite his hectic schedule, he made sure that he didn't miss any of the Toastmasters meeting. And Distinguished Toastmaster Award is a testament to his years of commitment to Toastmasters. DTM Dr. Balan, congratulations. You are a real inspiration to all of us.
Congratulations, Dr. Balan, for this wonderful achievement.
Doctor, well done.
You made it. You made it to DTM. Distinguished Toastmaster Dr. Balan Vijay Kumar. You accomplished this highest ranking and the most honorable title of Toastmasters fraternity. Congratulations, Dr. Balan, on your most deserved success and promotion. Apart from all the accolades, I feel you have done the excellent job by pioneering the Debate Toastmasters Club. It opened the gateway and is providing an opportunity to so many debating talents. We Lagunites are very proud and really happy to see you as DTM, Dr. Balan.
Dr. Balan introduced me to the world of Toastmasters. In the past 5 years, I have rarely seen him missing a meeting. I am amazed at his dedication and passion towards Toastmasters. He truly deserves the Distinguished Toastmaster title. In fact, he never went after the title. The DTM title went after him. Congratulations, DTM Dr. Balan.
Be it a table topic or an evaluation, I just love to watch him on the stage. And I'm so happy that finally he got his much awaited Distinguished Toastmaster title. Congratulations, Doctor.
I'm so happy and proud for Vijay having received his DTM. Over the years, I know he has always had this in his mind, but due to professional commitments, he was not able to pursue it. And I thank all members of Lagoon for supporting him in this journey. Thank you.